For my classic Victoria sponge cake recipe, I'm going to start by weighing the eggs, and the weight of the egg is going to be the determinant of all other major items like flour, sugar and butter. Now my egg weighed 161 grams, so this 161 grams is going to be the weight of my flour, of my sugar and of my butter. You're going to weigh the eggs with a shell, and I use a digital scale. Next, I'm going to sieve my flour, my baking powder and my salt together. This recipe is very simple. It's a one bowl recipe. You don't need to cream the butter and sugar separately. You just cream everything together. Now I added my sugar. Next, my vanilla extract, and then liquid milk. I'm going to add softened unsalted butter, not frozen but softened, that when you press it with your index finger, it should reflect the mark of your finger. And I'm going to be adding my eggs. Like I said, it's a one bowl recipe. Please check the description box below for a link to the written recipe. Also remember to subscribe to the channel. I'm mixing everything with my hand mixer on low speed for 1 minute to combine all items. Then I'm going to increase the speed of my mixer to the highest, and I'm going to whip this all through for 4 minutes. Always remember to scrape the sides of your bowl when mixing so that you can whisk the whole batter. You're not going to have any leftover or flour or any other item at any portion of your bowl. This is very, very important. Now, like I said, this is a one bowl recipe. It's easy to make, it's simple. Now, before I started the whole process, I already preheated my oven. So my oven has already been preheated. And this is ready. Next, I'm going to prepare my baking pan by greasing with butter and then dusting with little flour. And I'll shake off the excess. For this particular recipe, you could bake in 2 size 7 cake pan, or 2 size 6 cake pan, or 1 size 8 cake pan. I'm also going to be baking in some paper cups, and I'm just pouring my butter into my paper cups and into my cake pan. If you are still watching, it means you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Once you are through, tap the base of your pan on a flat surface or against your palm of your hand, just like this, and then bake in your preheated oven. Now your cupcakes bake faster because they are smaller, and these are ready. When you insert your skewer into your cake, it should come out clean. That shows that your cake is baked. Now this too is ready. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, share and leave me a comment. See you next week.